What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I hope you're all keeping well. As you can see, the EK hatch is open and I've been stripping all the interior, so absolutely everything's out of there apart from the two seats at the front. It's all down here, and I've weighed absolutely everything. Little scales, big scales, 69 kilograms in weight we've saved. Not bad. So that's including the spare wheel, 1.5 kilograms in nuts and bolts. So that's completely done. So going to lock this up, getting ready to go down to Ilminster tomorrow to pick up a K20 A2 engine. The engine's totally complete, so I've got everything. I've got loom, ECU, drive shafts, so I've got other things on order as well. So that's, what is it, 4.5 hours down there, and then once we've done that, going to go and see Matt and Kim at EXO Racing, so I'm absolutely buzzing. Been trying to get down there for a while, well, since November. So it's Sunday, 20 to 6, and just picking up my friend Ben. He's not in here at the moment, but heading down to Ilminster, pick up the engine, and then we'll head into EXO Racing. It's what we do for all the car parts, and the lad that's obviously sorting out the engine as well is doing us a cracking deal. Obviously travelling 4 hours, it's got to be right. Right, boys, we've got the new block. There's a K20 gearbox, got the ancillaries as well. Ratchet strap that baby in. Drive shaft, look, got one there, look, a little bit loose, and the other one. So got a cracking deal on that. So Danny, thank you very much if you're watching the video. Appreciate you helping me out. But even more exciting, I've been on about it all the time. Been out. We're at EXO Racing. So there's the beast. Proper fan of this. The X5 as well. And then we'll go and meet the guys inside. Hello. How are you doing?
Good.
Long drive.
Yeah. Welcome to our unit.
Thank you. Thank you for letting me come round, having a look.
Hey, welcome. It is a dump at the moment.
So I've been trying to get here since probably, what, November time?
Yeah, it's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, definitely been a while, but Boris Johnson says that I couldn't come. So, but yeah, so we're just going to have a look around, have a cheeky gander, I guess. So we'll show you a few things. So this is Matt's B18 Civic EK Coupe. Like I say, massive fan of this. Are you going to show me the engine then?
Right.
Come on, Matt, I'll put you on the spot. Carbon bonnet, looking all fine in the sun. So you must have brought the sun with us. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
So give me a full breakdown what we've done to it.
Right, you want breakdown. So it's a B18C bottom end.
Yeah.
With a B18C4 head.
Yeah.
Fully built with CSS. What do you want to know really? It's currently running about 520 horsepower. I went to mapping last time.
Yeah.
Had a bit of an issue, so it was a fueling issue. I think the pump was dead.
Right.
So we're put a fuel.
Yeah, you've already done a fuel. Yeah.
Set up in the rear.
And I'll put a link into the video below as well of that, the fuel system, because you recently did that, didn't you?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Video of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's currently about 520 horsepower-ish, about 330 foot-pounds. We also have all the four-wheel drive stuff upstairs,
Yeah.
so we are going four-wheel drive a bit.
Yeah, it's going to be savage.
Yeah. The plan was to keep it on road tyres and try and get as much grip as we could.
Okay.
With the 245 AR1s, we should hopefully be gripping four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But yeah, with the new smart pot system and all that stuff, we're going to go back to mapping and hope for about 600-ish horsepower around there somewhere. But yeah, we'll just see what it makes really.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not the end of the world figures, just as long as it can kind of be as powerful as it can in each gear, boost by gear and all that kind of stuff, then that's kind of what we want, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just as much grip as
So who's going to map it then?
we get Remain to map it at race
Yeah.
now, so
Okay.
Yeah, Remain maps it. We've kind of gone to him for years and he's always done a really good job, so I've never really needed anyone else. Yeah, he's good at what he does, so we'll just go back to him. Yeah, I know. Can you see the swap system as well?
Yeah, can do.
It's still there.
So this is the fuel system that I was telling you about. So you've got, what is it, water meth as well?
Yeah, so we've got water meth over there in the corner. It's currently not mapped in because obviously we had the fueling issue.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of there at the minute. Yeah, we got a 40 litre tank, twin facet lifters. We've got an AM 340 inline,
Yeah.
swell pot. All the lines are PTFE as well, so if
Cool.
we want to get race fuel, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, much better than the old system. Plus, we had to move it anyway. You had to take the tank out for full drive
Got you.
to run like the prop, diff, all that kind of stuff underneath. Yeah, so.
Yeah, it looks sick. So what lines are you running? You got, what is it, dash 6 or in 6?
Yeah, so all of the stuff in the boot's dash 6.
Yeah.
Feed line from there out round is dash 8 all the way to the rail, and then dash 6 back in. So it is dash 8. Yeah, dash 8 feed, dash 6 return,
Yeah.
and then everything down here is dash 6.
So all these parts you've got on the car, they're available for yourself?
Yeah, we have everything on the website.
Cool.
Yeah, we've just fully restocked layer fittings, so we do have kind of thousands of fittings. I'll show you in a minute.
Yeah. We'll show you what we've got. Oh. What EXO Racing's got, not me.
Yeah, we've got all the fittings in stock. Pretty much everything here is in stock, so yeah, everything's there.
Yeah. You just can't see how wide it is. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's hard to tell on film.
Yeah, definitely. So we're going to have a look around your daily.
This is the daily Mazda.
Yep.
It is nothing but a stock Mazda.
Okay. Where did you get the ironing board from?
This come from our mate bought it for his BMW E60, and obviously it's a BMW, it's a big posh car.
Yeah.
So it looked a bit silly on it, and we were joking around, and then we put it on, and I've actually fallen in love with it now. So it's never coming off the car. Going to keep it forever.
Got it on coilovers.
Yeah, it's just on some budget ones at the moment.
Yeah.
We're getting it ready for wrap at the moment, which is why the roof looks like it does. It just needs a bit more sanding down and prepping.
Yeah.
But if anyone's done bodywork, they know that it takes hours and hours of
It does.
painstaking boringness.
Yeah, definitely. So what colour are you going? Can you reveal it?
Yeah, it's going to be like a sandy tan colour.
Yeah.
Which we're not sure on, really. I've seen a few cars in it, whether it'll suit it or not, but we're going to give it a go anyway. I'm
Yeah.
sick of the paint on it now.
You got to have some love for the MX-5 though. They are pretty cool, aren't
Yeah, it's a cheap, fun car.
they? Yeah.
Obviously they're slow, but you know it does burn outs out of junctions and all fun stuff.
Yeah.
So it's been a good daily, to be fair. I've had it. I think I've nearly done 50,000 miles in it.
Sick.
Um,
So what do you reckon then? What lump's in it at the moment? Is it 1.6 or 1.8?
just a 1.6.
1.6, yeah.
Engine in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got plans for boosting it or supercharging it?
It depends. I've got a Lexus as well
Cool.
that I want to build into a drifter, and I think a nice turbo would go on that really. So because this is the daily, we might just 1.8 swap it, 1.8 VVT from the Mark II,
Yeah.
and then, like I say, it doesn't need to be the fastest car.
No.
It's just fun to drive, gets around, doesn't use too much fuel, and I don't know, it's a bit more fun than a standard Astra or something on the road, isn't it?
Yeah, totally. I see you got some bucket seats and a bucket seat,
Yeah.
a little roll
I
cage.
thought my girlfriend wouldn't appreciate being rammed into a bucket every time we go out to do the shopping.
No, I guess not. And as Matt was saying over here, we've got the ornaments.
Oh yeah. So hopefully Adam doesn't watch this, but
Yeah,
He's all right.
Adam, sorry. So Nissan GTR.
yeah, 32 GTR.
Yeah. Sorry, you can't see. So what's the plans for this then? Just
He's bought new turbos for it.
yeah,
Injectors, going to go link ECU. He's planning on going up to about 500ish horsepower.
cool.
But being GTR, he doesn't want to go too crazy, so he's just going to kind of do bits to it, make it around 400-500ish, and
Yeah.
then sort of leave it at that. Keep it relatively reliable. So
Yeah, it's
yeah, not huge
gorgeous,
amounts
innit?
for This one.
Yeah, it's really clean. If you can see it. And then we go on to the DC5, which I must admit, love these cars, but they're just out my price range at the moment. Really clean. And a nice little power adder in the back.
Sick.
And you're saying about the mount as well, weren't you? That's all been 3D printed by yourselves.
Yeah, so we 3D scanned the boot.
Yeah.
To get all the lines on it, and then 3D printed the bracket so it kind of fits perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think at the minute he's running a 50 shot, I think.
Yeah.
So he's kind of planning 300-ish NA, that's sort of the plan. Maybe a little bit more if he can, but I guess we'll just change nozzle out and kind of go for more, so yeah, we'll see. Again, government. Who knows?
So there wasn't lying when they said they've got AM fittings and AN fittings and AN fittings and AN fittings and lots and lots and lots. Getting lost in this place. So just having a quick look round. Matt said I was okay. Look at this. Wow. Filming Matt going up the stairs. So where's my office going to be?
What do you want? Take your pick.
I'll go here. I'll go right. Go right here.
So yeah, this is basically our cave. Whereas most of our day-to-day stuff is kind of the most stuff we sell, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of we have stuff sort of dotted about the unit, really. Most of our billet stuff's over here. We've got like thermostat housings in there.
Take.
Yeah, so we've got basically all of our billet stuff.
Wow.
Like thermostat housings and all the other bits we make in there.
Yeah, quality of them is amazing. I was having a look at these actually for my build, so this is going to get expensive, but just the quality. And you designed them yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we 3D scanned the block to make sure it fit perfectly.
Yeah.
And then yeah, Adam designed it all in CAD. Went for a couple of revisions, but yeah, really happy with them now. So yeah, they seem to do really well. People really like them, so
Yeah. Now I've seen quite a good review, or lots of good reviews, and
yeah.
obviously got all your silicone hoses as well.
Yeah. Yeah, we have loads of things on order from various places, so
Yeah.
just waiting on that. At the minute, we're getting the V2 of the alternate relocation kit done.
Yeah.
So we're just kind of redesigning that, just changing some of the edges and that. So that should be done soon. And then the next thing after that is the electric water pump kits.
Okay, yeah.
Those as well. We've also got an FD2 fan shroud downstairs. So we're going to do fan shroud for that.
Yeah.
It's quite similar to the FN2 as we found out, so we're going to be doing that. And then EP3 twin shroud doing that as well, so many
Plenty of
projects on the
cooling.
go.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just kind of keeping up a bit at the minute.
These are keychains. I still need to get one of those.
Have them.
I'll take the lot. And alt gaskets as well. I didn't even know you did these. I should have known because I bloody live on your website, but yeah, sick. Then your heat racking as well. Yeah, yeah, I've seen. So we got, what is it, titanium, sorry, and then
Yeah.
carbon
Yeah.
sound. So Matt did say that I could like look around and go crazy. Obviously, I don't want to go too far in, but yeah, just a little tour for you. Seeing as I was excited to get down here anyway. Got a sad face, I'm leaving. So thanks guys, if we can get you in, Kim. Yeah, it's been emotional. Yeah, thank you very much for having me.
You're welcome.
And yeah, I don't really know what else to say apart from don't forget to like and subscribe. Need to get to 1,000 subscribers urgently, so then we can buy more parts from these guys.
Purple Lamborghini,